Welcome to Six Sense Media. Today, we're breaking down the costs involved in selling your home. Selling a home can be a complex process, and understanding these expenses can help you plan better and avoid surprises. From real estate agent commissions to closing costs, there are several fees that can add up quickly. We'll also cover additional expenses like home staging, repairs, and moving costs. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of what to expect financially when selling your property. Whether you're a first-time seller or have sold homes before, this information is crucial for making informed decisions. So grab a notepad and get ready to take some notes. Let's dive in and explore the financial aspects of selling your home in detail. Stay tuned for valuable insights and tips that can save you money and stress. First, let's talk about real estate agent commissions. Typically, agents charge a percentage of the sale price, which covers marketing, negotiations, and closing assistance. Next, let's take a closer look at closing costs, which are an essential part of finalizing any real estate transaction. These fees can add up quickly and include a variety of expenses such as title insurance, transfer taxes, and attorney fees. Understanding these costs is crucial for anyone buying or selling a home. Title insurance protects both the buyer and the lender from any potential disputes over property ownership. Transfer taxes are fees imposed by the government when the property changes hands. Attorney fees cover the legal work involved in the transaction, ensuring everything is above board. We'll break down each of these costs for you in detail, so you know exactly what to expect. By the end of this chapter, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of closing costs and how to budget for them effectively. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into each component. Home repairs and improvements can significantly impact your sale price. We'll share tips on which repairs and upgrades offer the best return on investment. Staging your home can make it more appealing to buyers. We'll provide budget-friendly staging tips to help you present your home in the best light. Finally, let's cover some miscellaneous costs you might encounter during the home buying or selling process. These can often be overlooked but are essential to consider. For instance, moving expenses can add up quickly, especially if you're hiring professional movers or renting a moving truck. Additionally, pre-sale inspections are crucial to identify any potential issues with the property before listing it on the market. These inspections can save you from unexpected repairs and help you negotiate a better price. Other costs might include temporary storage fees, if there's a gap between moving out and moving in, as well as utility setup fees for your new home. Being aware of these various expenses can help you budget more accurately and avoid any financial surprises.